What if I told you that there is an animal in the world that eats 2 to 3 tons of food in just one day? Yes, but which animal is it, and what is so special about it? Welcome to John Information. Somewhere in the world, there is always something big or amazing waiting to be discovered. Today, we are going to show you 12 things you've probably never even imagined. So, let's find out what they are. Number 12. Boeing Everett Factory. This is the world's largest factory, known as the Boeing Everett Factory. This factory is so big that it can easily fit 75 American football fields inside it. This factory only makes large airplanes, especially the Boeing 747, which we know as the Queen of the Skies. This factory is so big that employees have to use bicycles or electric carts to go from one place to another. Started in 1967, this factory is now operating with around 30,000 workers. Number 11. Great Wall of China. This is the longest wall in the world. So long, in fact, that even from a plane or a drone, you can never see it all at once. It stretches over 21,000 kilometers. Built more than 2,000 years ago, this is not just a wall, it is a symbol of survival. People travel from all over the world to witness it, but it was never built for beauty or tourism. It was built for one purpose: to protect China from its enemies. Number 10. BHP Iron Ore Train. This is a train that no ordinary train can compete with. Yes, this train, running in Australia, is about 7.3 kilometers or 4.5 miles long and includes around 650 wagons and 8 locomotives. That is why it has been awarded a Guinness World Record. This train is used to transport iron ore from mines to ports. It usually travels from Jimblebar to Port Hedland, a journey of about 426 kilometers or 265 miles. When it comes to weight, this train carries around 82,000 tons or 180 million pounds, which is equal to about 1,000 elephants. Number 9. General Sherman Tree. You must have seen many tall trees, but the General Sherman Tree is the largest tree in the world by volume. It is located in California, USA. When we talk about its size, it is about 83 meters or 272 feet tall and about 11 meters or 36 feet wide. It is believed that this tree is more than 2,000 years old. Number 8. New Century Global Center. This is the world's largest building by area. Yes, this is not an ordinary building. This luxurious building is spread across 1.7 million square meters or 18.3 million square feet. This building is so big that it can easily fit around 150,000 cars inside it. This huge building is located in Chengdu, China. In this 1.7 million square meter or 18.3 million square feet mini-city, there are hotels, a shopping mall, a cinema, offices, and even a water park. Now it is obvious that in such a huge building, a large number of people visit. Around 100,000 people visit the New Century Global Center every day. And not only that, during peak times or holidays, this number can reach up to 500,000 visitors daily. Number 7. Antonov An-225 Maria. This was the world's largest airplane, and you will be amazed to learn about it. When we talk about its size, its length was about 84 meters or 276 feet, and its height was about 18 meters or 59 feet, which is equal to around a 6-story building. And not only that, this aircraft had 32 landing wheels, which is why it is known as the world's largest cargo plane. Now let's also take a look at why this plane was made. It is believed that this aircraft was built to transport the Buran space shuttle. This plane is so large that it can easily fit around 60 to 70 cars inside it. This massive aircraft was designed by Ukrainian engineer Petro Balabuyev and his team. When we talk about the cost of building it, it would be around $1 billion in today's terms. This airplane, which first flew in 1989, was destroyed on February 27, 2022, during the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Number 6. Rungrado 1st of May Stadium. This is the world's largest stadium, located in North Korea. You can estimate its size by the fact that around 114,000 people can easily sit inside it. Yes, this entire stadium is spread across 207,000 square meters, or 2.23 million square feet. This massive stadium has not just 1 or 2 floors, but a total of 8 floors. Its design is truly unique, with 16 large curved plates forming a structure that looks like a magnolia flower. Number 5. Bagger 293. This is one of the largest land vehicles ever built. When we talk about its size, it is about 96 meters or 315 feet tall, which is equal to around a 30-story building. Yes, and that is why operators have to use a special ladder to climb on top of it. And when we talk about its length, it is about 225 meters or 738 feet, which is equal to roughly 2 football fields. This machine is used to extract minerals and coal from the ground. The cost of building this massive machine is around $100 million. Number 4. Icon of the Seas. This is not just a cruise, it's a luxury city on water. It is also known as the world's largest cruise ship. This ship weighs about 250,800 tons or 553 million pounds. That's 5 times the size of the RMS Titanic. It is also about 330 meters or 1,083 feet long, which is equal to the height of the Eiffel Tower. Anyone would be amazed to learn about the facilities inside it. Inside this massive luxury cruise, there are shops, restaurants, a water park, games, and theater shows. When we talk about passenger capacity, around 7,500 passengers and 2,300 crew members can travel comfortably. Now let's also take a look at how much such a luxurious cruise costs. This ship, which was built over 3 years, has a cost of around $2 billion. Number 3. Ballaz 75710. This is the world's largest truck. Yes, this truck is as big as a 3-story building, and that is why it has a ladder just to climb up. The total weight of this truck is about 360 tons or 794,000 pounds, which is equal to roughly 60 elephants. In 2014, the Ballaz 75710 set a Guinness World Record by carrying 450 metric tons or 992,000 pounds. Now it is obvious that a truck carrying such heavy loads will also consume a lot of fuel. Normally, trucks have a fuel tank of around 400 to 500 liters or 130 gallons. But the Ballaz 75710 has a fuel tank of about 5,600 liters or 1,480 gallons. Number 2. Burj Khalifa. You must have heard the name of Burj Khalifa. This is the world's tallest building, located in Dubai. The height of Burj Khalifa is about 828 meters or 2,717 feet, and it has a total of 163 floors. Construction started in 2004, and after about 6 years, it was completed in 2010. The cost of building it was around $1.5 billion. Inside this luxurious building, there are hotels, offices, restaurants, and apartments. There are many lifts inside Burj Khalifa, but the special thing is that you can go from the ground floor to the top in just 60 seconds. Now let's talk about the cleaning of Burj Khalifa. This entire building is covered with glass on the outside, and it takes around 120 days to clean it. And in this luxurious building, around 10,000 to 12,000 people come and go every day. Number 1. Blue whale. Blue whale is the largest animal to ever exist in Earth's history. Yes, it is hard to imagine that a blue whale eats around 4 tons or 8,000 pounds of food in just a single day. It mainly survives by eating krill. When we talk about its length, it is about 30 meters or 98 feet, which is equal to around 2 to 3 buses, and its weight is about 180 tons or 397,000 pounds, which can be compared to around 25 to 30 elephants. Blue whales are found in oceans, but they are mostly found in cold and deep waters. The special thing about them is that they can communicate across the ocean, up to approximately 15,000 kilometers or 9,000 miles. That's all for today. We hope you liked this video as well. Thank you for your support. See you in another amazing video like this.